Stand by the ROs if you want.
Yeah.
Just as long as you don't cross past them.
Stand by.
Just take your time.
Okay.
Does she know when you're running these stages to be running 1 power?
I could put it on 1.5. Yeah, that swing made me a little nervous.
So every time the ROs is taking a step back, every time they've swung.
Can you blame them?
No. Oh, she's using those 45. She likes those things.
She's very comfortable with them.
That's funny. Good for her. She's doing good.
Oh, she's kicking ass. I think she went back to the scope.
Hey, is center target 6?
A zone is 6. Okay. It has to be. If you look at, well, when we walk up, I'll show you. But if you see there's an A zone, then there's a C zone. You need to put 2 shots in the C zone. Okay. And then the D.
A hit, bowling pin, A. Okay, so here you got a C, but not an A. So that's not enough points. So that's minor penalty. That's less than 6. Okay. Right. That one you got an A on, so you're good.
Man, most of these are smack dab in the middle of the A.
Good.
That was C.
C, okay.
Grab the bowling pins, I'll grab this here.
Good timing. Yeah, that's definitely a lot farther than I thought it was.
Yeah.
Out here it doesn't look so far because the sand's all uniform and nice channel. I think I'm going to enjoy this one a lot more. Even though that long one's going to kick my ass.
Right, shooter ready. Stand by.
Over to put that's free hand.
Yeah.
The barrel.
Yeah, we talked about it. For some reason, she leans in the face and she's more comfortable. Well, we talked about it.
Yeah, but
I know.
It's harder.
But if that does, here we go.
There you go.
There we go.
That's.
She knows what's up.
Yeah.
The stuff that feels weird, but you figure out that works a lot better pretty quick.
Yeah.
One of the guys here
Hi,
has a balloon on his rail. It's against the windowsill. And that locks it right in.
That's a good idea.
It's a really good aid.
Yeah, but you have to have like something to lock it up there.
Well, it's on this side. It hooks it has the windowsill and hooks it like that.
If you put it like a pinac.
Down and left just a hair.
You can do the bowling pins now.
Okay.
Just push
You
it.
could push it forward. You could do it the other way as well. Yep.
Hey, I was just thinking that that's very neat. I could put on on the side of the rail.
Yeah.
Or they have those rubber
Push it.
bands you can
And then it's anchored.
Yeah, there's no way to move it. I learned something today.
anchor a little bit more stuff.
Come down a hair.
Even if you buy like a hammer mount, it'll work.
Yeah, exactly. Any mount. Any mount. But the thing is, you don't want something really big. So.
No, no.
Sit. Sit.
I can't do it.
Okay, do you want to try the bowling pin?
Yeah.
Okay, use this as a support.
Okay. Like this?
Yeah.
Yep,
Yeah.
just like that.
Yeah.
You got it now.
That's not going to work very well with
Come down a hair.
Thanks.
Live and learn.
Yeah.
I'm going to get my wife out here and see if she does as good as you.
Oh, you sweet. Thanks.
Yeah.
This thing was getting heavy, wasn't
I
it?
couldn't. My arms are hurting.
So, show me again. How are we doing this one?
Okay.
You start anywhere on wood.
I'm gonna start here. Bang. Bang, bang. Probably up against here like this. Like bang, bang. And then maybe even up against it again.
Yeah, that's a good
bang,
idea.
Bang, 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 bang.
Now, keep in mind, this last one, you've got a long sweep. You've got to come from over here, and you've got to walk all the way back to get that last one. Now, do you want to do that, or do you want to do here, hit him, and then come right up and do those 4 in the 1? That's up to you.
I guess I could do the door.
It's just less swing.
Yeah.
Okay, so then all of these are dead. Where are you going now? That's a 22 LR.
Down.
Bit of a drop.
Bang. Bang. Lean in. Bang.
No bangs?
I guess I do the guys in the far back.
Yeah, the 3 ones.
Bang, bang, bang.
You've got 2 left.
Bang. Ding.
What I would, me personally, back here, I would get these 3, and then get this guy and come up. Or get that guy, and then come around. What I'm saying is the only thing I wouldn't do, is I wouldn't go up here, and bang, and then come way down here.
What did you do then?
I would either do from here, get him, and then come up.
Oh, okay. Alright,
It's a shorter bolt and like a lighter. With the G3, it's got to be big, you know what I mean? With the C3, it's not that.
You're high right. Go high right.
You need to go down and left. Little lower.
You're high.
There we go.
There you go. All right. You got an unload. Up or down. We're clear. Good
And
job.
Lizard's still there.
88-20.
Awesome.
Did I hit everyone?
We'll see.
Am I allowed to go look at it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You had it right here.
It was right, yeah, smack dab in A. Oh, this one's just below A. That one's right in the C. That one needed a double tap. It's just a hair below the line for the A.
Yeah, but she got.
Yeah, I already covered that one. That was a good shot, though. And this one was too. I already reset that.